Hi there, in this video we're going to show you how quick and easy it is to provision and enforce a firewall, push a firewall policy to it and secure environment. So first of all, we're going to log into the portal. I'm going to log in using my Google credentials. And you'll be met with this page. This is standard sort of dashboard that you'll be met with all your different features. But first of all, we're going to talk about all the features of this afterwards. But what we're going to do now is provision a device. So under provision and assign licenses, each customer will be given a special key, and all you need to do is cut and paste this particular key into a vanilla Debian or Ubuntu image. I've provisioned one in AWS right now. So what we'll do is we'll cut across to this. So this box here is about to log in. This is the first time I've logged into this box, and all it is I've provisioned a Linux box in a public subnet. So all I need to do is log in as root and then cut and paste the command that we were given. This takes about 2 or 3 minutes, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and then resume once it's completed. So that's it. About 60 seconds later, everything is installed, and that is all you need to do on the Linux box. That script, it hardened the box, it converted it into an enforza firewall, and now what we're going to do, we're going to actually push a configuration to it. So back at the portal, you go to devices, and what you'll see here is a new device. You actually gives you the instance ID that's in there. So first thing we're going to do is probably give it a good name. So that's automatically provisioned to your account. So this is Neil's test box for training. And that is it. As you can see, to start with, it's got all the features about package management and everything's up and running, but we can talk about that at a later date. So what we're going to do now is we're going to push a brand new policy to it, or if you've got an existing policy, you could attach the device and push that to an existing policy. But what we're going to do, we're going to very quickly create a new policy. I'm going to call it Neil new policy. We're then going to, down here, associate devices, and we're going to associate the new box that we've just provisioned. That's in there. And these are management rules. These are the ones when you want to access the actual box itself. So pretend that you've got a home IP address of that, and you want to be able to SSH the box, SSH management from your home or your office. Then very quickly we'll allow, this is for protecting traffic inside your network going out to the internet. So basically we're saying in here where we've got predefined objects, we're going to say the 10/8 network can go to anywhere on 80 and 443. We're going to allow SNAT. We're going to say use the IP address of the firewall, and this is just outbound web traffic. There's multiple things you can do with a policy, but all we're going to do, we're just going to push this initially. This is first push. And that is now applying the policy. There you go, done and dusted. Then eventually what will happen is under the box here, you can see the telemetry that will start to show the number of firewall sessions and all the telemetry that you'd want to see in the box. Then you've got your firewall logs, and we can see immediately, because this is a public subnet connected to the internet, these are the things that are automatically trying to connect to us already. Obviously we've got the implicit deny, but if you can click on the rules there, you can see all the details about that. What we'll do now is I'll show you what happens when you leave it long enough. So these are the firewall rules on another box in a different environment, but you can see after a while all of the different types of traffic that are being hit on permitted, and then on the FQDN logs, if you had a FQDN filtering enabled, and you can see all the traffic that you're permitting outbound. It gives you all the information that you are allowing outbound, standard sort of firewall rules. So that is it. It's as simple as that. A couple of minutes and you can install a firewall, have it associated with your account, and create and push a policy, and away we go. Hope that's useful. On the next set of videos, we're going to go into further details of how you configure various different scenarios. But for the minute, thank you very much.